Welcome to another episode of Guineas and Chill. We are going to get potentially 4 new birds because we have lost 3 birds. The silky banty and the black chicken were attacked by a hawk today, and the cochin moonstone, she just kind of died on the deck, and yeah, she just died. So, we are getting 2 silky banties, 1 more black chicken, and a pheasant. Also, we are done with the new addition for the coop. They are now officially allowed to go in it. We cut a hole in that side so they can, what was that? So they can walk in there, and they have double the room because we're gonna keep them locked in that coop more. So we're gonna only let them out when we're watching them, so that no more of them get attacked by dangerous animals. But they do have double the space, so yeah. What the? Did you guys just hear that? Okay. Dude, I rarely get this on camera. Y'all, what was that? You just made it. Well, what was I saying? I can't really remember. Oh yeah, we're gonna keep them in their coop more. We're only gonna let them out when we're watching them, until we get some kind of system to make sure that they stay safe in the yard. Maybe we'll get another dog or something. Should we get another Australian Shepherd? We might get some kind of guard dog to keep the predators away, because raccoons and stuff. Can't really deal with the chickens just dropping dead because of illness. That's not something a dog can solve. But them getting picked off by hawks and piles of white and black feathers in our yard is a problem a dog can fix. So I finally catch root and mating, but I still can't get those guineas chasing each other. They just never want to do it when I'm thinking about recording. It's the strangest thing. Well, that's about it for this episode of Guineas and Chill. Okay, scratch that, guys. We're actually gonna get a dozen pheasants, I think. So, yeah, that's gonna be crazy. Okay, bye.